Junior, you had a medical condition that I didn't even know about, back in the day, where you were only getting a couple hours of sleep, at night. You remember all this as well?
Man, let me tell you something. That's a lie. That's a lie. I don't know where Wikipedia started all that stuff.
So that is not true.
I don't know where that chronic hiccup stuff came in at, because no, honestly, that's not legit.
Because I remember you sleeping a lot on the plane. So I was like, really? He was only getting 2 hours of sleep and doing all this? So
bro.
Wikipedia just put in stuff like, because there's a couple of things in Wikipedia that I look at, I'll be like, that's not
fact check.
Yeah, that's not me.
Yeah, fact check, man.